Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power windows are not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Okay, now all of the fuses will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel. So it's gonna be right here behind this cover. Now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press them at the same time and pull down. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F2, which is a 30 amp fuse located at the bottom right corner, responsible for power to front power windows. And the second fuse will be fuse number F28, which is again 30 amp fuse located in the middle of the fuse box, responsible for power to rear power windows. Now if both of these fuses are good and one of the power windows is still not working, then you'll have to check the power window switches or a possible wiring issue or a power window motor. But first things first, always check the fuses. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.